A chunky drink.
A chunky drink. I suppose it straddles a dessert drink, but it's something that they have every day. It's like their coffee fix.
Oh, that's great. Well, that's enough sugar to lift you off.
Not for a Filipino, that's just to get me through the morning. So you want to go down to the bottom and make sure you mix all the ingredients in nicely.
I've been dying to try this now. You've got to try and get a little bit of everything in the one spoon.
That's right.
Oh, leche flan.
What do you think?
It's fun. It's beautifully creamy and cold and that's great. Normally you have your own, don't you?
Because you want a whole one.
Yeah. Can I have a whole one?
There you go. It's all yours. I'll make another.
On our next food safari, South African food and the many flavours and dishes from the Rainbow Nation. From biltong to a braai, the best street food to potjiekos.